Hey folks, JD here, and today we're looking at the Hubsan Zino again. So this is as part of the updates, or the part of the revisit, sorry, for this week, where we're looking at a load of different quads and cars this week that we've looked at for the past month and a half, and just going back over and having a short flight and seeing if I still stand by my original recommendations for these quads. So let's move this thing and let's get it underway. So once again, I'm just recording. Oh, look at it go. Such a fast quad. I am just recording screen capture. I'm not recording raw video in this today, just purely because it's a short flight and I just want to whiz it around a little bit, which is of course what it's not made for. This is a videography quadcopter. It has a gimbal attached with a 4K Ultra HD lens, which means that you can, oh look, another heron, which means that you can pick up some beautiful footage, whether it's photos, whether it's videos. It really does come out very, very, very nicely indeed. The colour is beautiful. Everything about this quad is just really nice. It is just such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful thing. Now, I know a lot of people did experience a lot of issues with this when it first came out. I was not one of the ones that did experience issues. I had mine on a newer firmware revision and I updated it to be on the newest at the time, going back maybe about a month and a half. And I was very happy with how it reacted, how it flew. Everything about it actually was just very, very nice. Now, once again, I'm flying it today and it's beautiful. It's as beautiful today as it was when I first flew it. And it is just so nice. It really is. I'm sorry I can't say good enough things about this because it is just superb. The whole thing is just absolutely superb, especially on a day like this where you've got some beautiful sun and you're able to just fly it however you want to, obviously legally, but it's just, yeah, just such a nice quad. And it actually flies ridiculously well. I mean, I've had a couple of Hubsan quads over the years and they've never done me wrong. I've had, actually, to be fair, I've had one really bad one, which I gave away to a big drone flyer in 1964, and he used it no end. You know, he really loved it, whereas myself, I didn't at all. And that's the only bad quad I've had from a Hubsan. I mean, I've had the Hubsan H502E, H502S. They were superb. I still fly my S. Still going on for 3 years. The brushed motors, still brushed. And I've not replaced them, not needed to. And then I had the Zino, and the Zino just knocked them all out of the park. The Zino is just incredible. Really, really good. I stand by my assumptions for this one, that I absolutely love it. I think it's superb, I really do. This is probably my 30th flight with it. No exaggeration, it quite literally is. And yeah, I just love it. I think it's such a superb quad. And now it's dropping in price. I noticed it on Banggood the other day. It was like £230, I think it was. It's just an incredible price for such a great quad. Now, one thing I will say about it as well, it is well over the 250 gram limit. And when I mean well over, I mean well over. I think, if memory serves, is 700 and... it's either 570 or 750. It's one of the two. I can't remember what I said in the first flight test video, but you'll find that and links with all the other videos I've done with this particular quad in the description, should you want to view it and have a look at them. But yeah, this is an absolute superb quad, and I swear by it. Absolutely. It has done me very, very proud. I've taken it off cliffs. I've taken it over to Devon. I've taken it so many places, and I've just clicked record and flown it, and it's just flown remarkably well. And of course, should you want to as well, you can get a bit of speed up with her as well, and she really does deliver. Those brushless motors do bang about. Look at that. And she really does get up a nice bit of speed should you require it. But if you don't, I mean, even if you are flying it like an absolute maniac, which again I don't recommend at all, but you will get great video because of that gimbal. That gimbal is just superb. Is just absolutely superb. And yeah, it does. The gimbal does this thing very, very, very proud. So I'm just going to take her up a little way and then turn her around a little bit, and then just do a little pass of the river, I think, on this beautifully sunny day. Let's move that gimbal down a bit so we can focus a bit on the river. And you just get it into position a bit there. There we are, perfect. And it's just superb, absolutely superb. There we are. So I'm just going to gently start her off now, and this is it. You've got some great resolution in these transmitter sticks, absolutely superb. So you can get her crawling like this, and it'll quite happily sit there crawling, you know, at 0.5 mile an hour. It really just is so nice. But then if you wanted to then as well, you can increase the speed and she'll respond for you, you know, no problem whatsoever. She is so nice. She really is such a nice quad. So there we are, friends. I tell you what, I think I'm going to call that there. Thanks ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD. You've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and ring that bell too. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.